Hello students, come back to unit second, regular and irregular verbs. Regular verb is called weak verb, irregular is strong verb. In regular verb, we find at the end of the verbs ed, d, t, while irregular strong verb is a kind of vowel change. Tooth, teeth. In this way, we find something different in irregular or strong verbs. Now let us come to worksheets. We have to start it from the beginning. Look at worksheet 1. Have you heard? Question is, have you heard the famous story of Cinderella? Have you heard the famous story of Cinderella? A part of it is given below. Now this is one passage which you have to study here. You have to understand these verbs: lived, loved, worked, then received, wanted, refused. This worksheet asks you only to know this much, that these verbs are weak verbs. Now let us see worksheet 2. Here you have your question. Cinderella's stepmother and stepsisters went to the party, leaving her alone at home. Cinderella felt sad and wrote the following diary entry. But some words are missing in it. Choose the correct verbs from the box given below and complete the entry using their past forms. The first one has been done for you. Now the verbs which have to be used in their past forms are ask, call, accuse, receive, express, scold, try, and learn. Let us see ahead. Now look at August 8, 9:30 p.m. Today we received an invitation from the king to a dance party. My stepmother and my stepsisters expressed a desire to attend the party. When I learned when I learned about it and asked them to take me along, they scolded me. They called me ugly and accused me of being unlucky. I tried to convince them. But they did not agree. Had I gone to the party, I would have enjoyed myself a lot. I would have danced with the prince. Oh, how I wish I could have gone there. Will no one help me? Now, this is what is the question of Cinderella. Now, see next worksheet 3. Now, look at the pictures given below and complete the story of Cinderella using the regular verbs given below. Cinderella wanted to go to the party but could not. She started crying. A fairy appeared before her and offered help of her chariot and other things. She warned she warned her to return before midnight. Cinderella reached the party. She danced with the prince. Cinderella rushed out as the clock struck 12. She dropped her shoe. The prince ordered his servants to find her. His servants reached Cinderella's home. They asked her to wear the shoe. The shoe fit her properly. She married the prince. Now come to worksheet 4. Read the following extract from Cinderella's diary. I tried to convince them, but they did not agree. I wanted to go to the party, but my mother did not want me to go. Now look at B number. Cinderella's stepmother loved her. How should it be written as negative sentence? Cinderella's stepmother did not love her. Now next is Cinderella's stepsisters worked hard. How will it be converted into negative sentence? Cinderella's stepsisters did not work hard. Now third number, Cinderella enjoyed herself in the company of her stepsisters. Cinderella did not enjoy herself in the company of her stepsisters. Next is, the stepsisters cared for Cinderella. The negative sentence, the stepsisters did not care for Cinderella. Cinderella lived in a big house. Cinderella did not live in a big house. Cinderella's stepmother allowed her to go to the party. Now, negative sentence. Cinderella's stepmother did not allow her to go to the party. Seventh number. Cinderella's stepmother helped her get ready for the party. Cinderella's stepmother did not help her get ready for the party. Last one. The king visited Cinderella's house himself to give an invitation card. The king did not visit Cinderella's house himself to give an invitation card. Now look at next one. All the sentences that you have written using did not are negative sentences. Here suggestion is do not use ed with regular verbs while using did. For example, Cinderella wanted to go to the party. Cinderella did not want to go to the party. Here ed has been omitted because of the presence of did. Cinderella could not go to the party because she did not have good clothes. She did not have good clothes, number one. Second, she did not have any carriage and a chauffeur. And the last one, she did not have any friend to accompany her. Students, this is the closing point of today's worksheets. Now wait for the next worksheets for the next video. Thank you very much.